heavy rains across Sri Lanka have left a devastating trail of destruction, claiming the lives of at least 31 people, according to the nation's disaster management agency. 14 individuals remain unaccounted for, raising serious concerns about their well-being as rescue efforts continue under increasingly challenging conditions. The severe weather, characterized by relentless downpours, has triggered widespread flooding and landslides, crippling infrastructure and displacing thousands from their homes. VXN News understands that the situation is escalating rapidly, with reports of entire villages submerged and access routes cut off, hindering the delivery of critical aid. Humanitarian organizations are struggling to reach affected populations, and there is growing anxiety about access to clean water and sanitation, which could lead to outbreaks of waterborne diseases. The escalating disaster also has broader regional implications, potentially straining resources and impacting economic stability in the surrounding area. The Disaster Management Agency, as reported by VXN, is coordinating relief operations, but the scale of the devastation is testing the limits of their capacity. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.
වැඩිම වර්ෂාපතනයේ දිවෙන පුරාම ඇතිවීමේ සලකුණු පෙන්눔 කරනවා. මේක ලංකාවට ගොඩක් කිට්ටුවෙන් යන හින්දා මෑත ඒසියාවේ දැක්ක වැඩිම වර්ෂාපතනයේ දිවෙන පුරාම ඇතිවීමේ සලකුණු පෙන්눔 කරනවා.